Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for AskMrGreenThumb.com. Beginning of growing roses. What's the simplest plant to grow? Well, maybe not, but there are some basic rules you need to follow. First off, you need to pick a spot where you've got about 6 hours of bright sun a day. You also need to make sure that you've got an ample water supply. You can see here, we need to water them either with a watering wand or with a watering can, and it has to be done on a pretty regular basis. If you can keep the water off the foliage, it helps to cut down on some of your disease problems. Also, of course, you should be able to either spray or apply some materials that will help take care of some of the black spot, powdery mildew, and some of the diseases and insects as well. Also, of course, you're going to have a good pair of trimmers. You'll have to trim them from time to time when you get some dieback or some black spot or some dead wood. Also, of course, you're going to have to make sure you've got a good soil. So improve that soil. Add some peat moss and some black cow manure, and also make sure that you give them a good rose fertilizer on a pretty regular basis. During the growing seasons, during the warm season, probably about every 2 months. If you do this, you should have good roses. For knowing about how to grow simple roses for the beginner, I'm Stan DeFreitas for AskMrGreenThumb.com.